Hi friends, welcome to Learn Sitara. Today we are going to learn the meanings of the important words that are included in chapter 6 of Ancient India NCERT book. This will help you in the preparation of exams. So let's start. Our first word is tributary, which means a small river that joins a main river. Next, riverine, related to rivers and river valleys. Next, tract, a large stretch of land. Next, intrude, enter forcefully into an area. Next, contemporary, which means belonging to the same time period. Next, metallurgy, knowledge and use of metals. Next, prevalent, commonly found or existing. Next, seldom, not often. Next, wattle, wooden framework used in huts. Next, bastion, strong defensive structure or fort. Next, spindle, tool used for spinning thread. Next, wool, circular part of a spindle. Next, venerate, show deep respect or worship. Next, hierarchy, system of social ranking. Next, kinsmen, members of the same family. Next, affluent, wealthy or prosperous. Next, ascribe, attribute something to a cause. Next, confluence, meeting point of two rivers. Next, imperceptibly, slowly that it is hardly noticed. Next, fade, gradually disappear. Next, tattered, tired or fastened with rope. Next, slaughter, killing of animals for food. Next, perforate, make a hole in something. Next, evident, clearly seen or understood. Next, mortality, rate of death in a population. Next, attribute, a quality or feature. Next, forging, shaping metal by heating. Next, artisanal, related to skilled craftsmen. Next, excavation, systematic digging of ancient site. Next, nomadic, moving from place to place. And last word, inundation, which means flooding of land by rivers. Thank you for learning.